Good afternoon, everybody. Okay. Okay, good afternoon again, everybody. Here we are again with Casti, and it's, hello world, sample, code. Again, you can change your configuration. Let's get started with the exercise 2.5. 2.5. Okay, so this is all about function composition. Remember, in our previous videos we tackled curry and uncurry, and we could mention a partial application, but now let's tackle the function composition. So let us see. I think I will check the type signature in the book. Again, it is provided for you, so it's a great starting point. Let us see. Here it is. Do you want me to type this thing, or just copy and paste? If you are learning programming language, definitely you will want to type code. If you are like delivering code in a tight deadline, you might want to get assistance from tools, from IDEs. Okay. Again, we are going to compose this function f and this function g in order to deliver a function from A to C. You will be given two functions, f and g, and you're going to compose them, apply one after another. I don't know if that makes sense. Okay, so again, let's get started in a new line. If you want to go from A to C, you have to look on what you got. So the first thing that you want to write is you want this argument from type A, and you just write it. And now you want to get from A, you need to produce a C. But in here, in the things that are arriving, you have a G function that goes from A to B. So you're not getting directly to C. And then you have a function f that goes from B to C. Since you have an A, look at this. A, you need to apply the G function that they are giving to you. Now you have at B. This function application of G will give you this result of type B, but you want a C. Since you have this B, look at this, we are very lucky. They gave us a function f that accepts a that accepts a B, the one you have, and produces a C. So you will want to give this B to the F function. Now, I think that's all. So let's print something here. Done. Oh, I was thinking, exercise. Why do you think I wrote this? Well, there is a lot of programming languages which this maybe not. There is a one programming language, at least, that in which this depicts a comment. You have 5 seconds to answer. Look at this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, the programming language is Haskell. But in Scala, the comments are with these famous flashes. Here, besides the function composition, now we are seeing this done here, which is great in the console. Look at this. This is the result type. So focus on this. Okay, now how do you go and test the function? Okay, the exercise is done. If you need to leave for another to get some lunch, 7 minutes was quite a month of time. Again, I was trying to explain the process because that's the point of this video. Okay. Okay, let's test this function. We will have a function, baby function, +1, +1, +2. You know, that's this function receives an argument. And it adds 2 to the parameter. There is a syntax in which if you are like having this only parameter and using this parameter here, you can. Well, let's test this. Again, this video will take more time because we are like tackling several things, and I don't know if that's a great thing to do. Look at this. +2. You are expecting to receive a 6. Okay, what I was saying is to, if you have this, but now there will be a problem because maybe the Scala system won't be able to infer the type. Let us see. Let us check. You see? Again. Okay, we helped the Scala system and told it as this is an int. But again, you can go, since we are learning here, uh, to the previous version. But be aware that there are concise syntax for these expressions. This will be our this will be our this will be our G function. Now we are declaring another function in other in order to compose both functions. You can name it A if you want. And in here, we are multiplying by 5. Let us test this one. Times 5. We are expecting here 35. Okay. Now we are going to use this function, compose, in order to compose these two functions. Okay, they expect the two functions. So we are going to call the result compose. Plus 2 times 5 okay, let us see. Okay, now we can use a compose. I'm not sure when we have a function. Yeah, we have this, so we can give 2, and what do you think is going to happen? Make your guess. 12. We are passing 2 and we are getting 12. Why do you think it's that? Let us see. Let us check. Let us check the time. 30 minutes. What else? Here. Probably you were expecting 20, because we give the number 2, and we were expecting 4, and then times 5. Well, again, think for a while if you want to. It's not make sure you understand that you give this 2, but the first function applied was this G. This is our G. 2 times 5 will give you 10. And then composed with plus 2, F, this F, this F, this F, is 10, the B, plus 2 is 12. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you got entertained again. What else? Yeah, this is the last exercise from the chapter 2. From chapter 2, sorry. This is the last exercise from chapter 2. And before tackling the exercises in chapter 3, I'm going to try for a couple of days to maybe 3 days or 4 days, because I am doing other things, another things. I'm going to try to see how to integrate a Scala check over here to include, it will be here, yeah, the Scala check, in order for us to perform some property-based testing for the exercises in chapter 3, which are related to lists, because in here it was quite straightforward to see. But in the next ones, testing for one list won't give you enough confidence of your function being right, you know. So again, we are going to see if we can integrate the Scala check and make it work within this editor. So like 4 days, 5 days, I won't be publishing, but once that happens, we are going to to retake the chapter 3. You know, don't desperate. The content will arrive. That will be for me. Thank you very much. 17 minutes. I think there is no way for me to reduce these videos, because again, what's the point of you saying me write the compose functioning? How do you like, since I already solved this function like 4 times, so you know, 1 minute and stop the video. I think it's okay. But again, I will try to be brief in the next videos. So bye for now. Have a good one. Have a good afternoon over there. Bye.